Welcome to Module 2.15, where we'll explore the detailed writing prompts for your self-reflective assignment. This module builds on the overview presented in Module 2.14 by providing specific guidance for each section of your reflection. We'll examine the prompts for ethical research reflection, literature review analysis, and research question formulation. These detailed prompts will help you develop a focused and thoughtful response that demonstrates your understanding and application of course concepts. For the ethical research reflection section, begin by identifying a specific ethical challenge relevant to your field or research interest. This might involve issues of informed consent, privacy concerns, conflicts of interest, or cultural sensitivity. Reflect on how this challenge impacts the research process, including study design, participant recruitment, data collection, or result dissemination. Apply specific ethical principles from our modules, such as respect for persons, beneficence, or justice, to address this challenge. Consider how these issues might be magnified when working with vulnerable populations relevant to your research area. Finally, discuss specific ethical safeguards that researchers can implement to mitigate these concerns. Ground your reflection in both course concepts and your city training experience, referencing specific modules or insights that informed your thinking. The literature review analysis section asks you to select a specific public health topic that interests you professionally. Identify which type of literature review methodology would be most appropriate for this topic, whether narrative, systematic, meta-analysis, integrative, or scoping review. Justify your selection based on the topic's characteristics, the state of existing literature, and your research objectives. Outline the key steps you would take in conducting this type of review, from search strategy development through synthesis methods. Consider potential challenges you might encounter in implementing this review methodology and how you would address them. This section should demonstrate your understanding of different review types and your ability to match methodologies to specific research contexts. In the research question formulation section, develop 2 potential research questions related to your selected public health topic. Apply an appropriate framework, PICO for clinical questions, SPIDER for qualitative research, or FINIR criteria to structure each question. Explicitly connect your questions to a relevant theoretical framework or conceptual model in your field, explaining how theory informs your question development. Evaluate the quality of your questions using criteria discussed in our modules, such as specificity, feasibility, significance, and ethical considerations. Finally, reflect on how your city training has influenced your approach to research question development, particularly regarding participant protection and research integrity. This section should demonstrate your ability to formulate focused, answerable research questions grounded in both theory and ethical considerations.